Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add a profile photo on the Substack app. If you want to personalize your Substack account and make it more recognizable, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings page, you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile information. After that, you will notice a plus icon next to the photo field. Click on the plus icon to add a new profile photo. This will open your device's gallery where you can select the image you want to use. Next, select the photo from your gallery. Press and hold on the chosen photo, then click Select at the top right of the screen. This will add the photo to your profile field. Finally, make sure to save your changes by clicking on Save at the top right corner. Your new profile photo is now set, and your Substack account looks more personal and professional. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.